Guys, we're here now in the rice field. Lever, Surigao del Norte. Rice transplanting. Transplanting paddy rice using Kubota SPW48C. This is a very nice brand, guys. Very nice model used in the municipality of Clover. It is very convenient, guys. Modern technology. We are using here modern technology in Clover. Look at that. Very nice, guys. It's the season to plant rice because it is a rainy season.